Hello everyone, it's January 11th, 2019. It's raining, it's stormy, it's dark, and look who's here at the front door dancing.
Yeah.
It's Miss Brianna Blanco.
Yay!
How's your little world today, Brianna?
It's good.
Is it a happy day?
Yeah.
Is it a good day for Mommy to do some cooking, a new recipe?
Yeah, and Mom's favorite weather is rainy day.
Yeah, let's go inside and see what's cooking in the stove.
Yeah, but
what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make some vegetables.
Some vegetables.
Hello everybody. So it's another rainy day today and it's only 4:30 in the afternoon, and then outside is really dark right now because of the rain, heavy rain.
And the flies are in the video.
So I'm gonna cook another vegetable soup, and this is another really healthy soup, and this time there is no meat in it. So we call it Utan Bisaya in Bisaya people, but it's like vegetarian vegetable soup because there's no any meat. So I'm gonna show you my ingredients.
Yeah.
So here it is. I got 1 coconut. This one is already grated. I bought it in the market. Actually, I sent somebody to buy it for me. So I'm gonna show you how to get the coconut milk in it later. This is for the vegetable soup. It's really good. And I got 1 head of onion. I got garlic right here and ginger.
Interesting.
Interesting.
What?
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah, and if you want to make this kind of food, you have to add the ingredients that we add, but if you forget, you have to watch the video all over again.
You know what is this one?
Squash.
And this one? Eggplant.
Plants.
Yeah, I have some squash right here, and I got 3 pieces of eggplant, and this is like almost half of the squash. And this one we call it opo. I don't know what's the English of this, but this is really healthy for you too. It's a green vegetables. Opo. This one is lady's fingers. Very good.
Fingers.
And this one is a lot of moringa. Very healthy for you.
I love moringa.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
You like moringa?
Yeah.
And we're gonna use vegetables oil, coconut oil.
I'm scared of oil. I'm gonna run away once Mom dumps it in because I'm scared of oil. It might burn.
A little thyme, black pepper, and Himalayan sea salt, and a little bit soy sauce.
Let's go.
So we're gonna add some water. So add like 2 to 3 cups of water, or if you want some more, you can add some more water if you want some more juice in it. And just keep squishing it to get the coconut water out. Squish it like this.
That's interesting.
Until you squeeze all the coconut meat.
So this color is blue.
I know it matches your beautiful,
Yeah, that's favorite color.
beautiful flower in your head.
Yeah.
And I remember this coconut like this. We used to use this as our shampoo when we were kids or teenagers. And our hair is really silk, really shiny and black. But now everybody's using this shampoo that they put a lot of junk in it. So your hair die. This is supposed to be the really good shampoo before. But the teenagers now, they don't want to use this anymore because it smells coconut. And the fly is going to go to your hair. It's funny.
Well, people buy coconut shampoo in the States because it does smell like coconut.
I
They
know.
like it.
And after you squish it
How long do you keep doing this?
until
Till it looks white?
until it looks white.
Yeah.
And you feel like
Most of it's like it's getting dry. very
It's
dry.
getting dry like this, and you put the junk separate from the juice, the water.
So you don't eat that? You don't put that in?
No,
Probably.
you don't put that in the vegetables.
You make a dish with that?
No, that's junk.
Yeah, I guess you squeeze all the flavors out of it.
Yeah,
That's what makes the flavor so special in this dish.
I know this is really good. Well, this soup is my dad's favorite recipe. He made this like almost every day too because he really loved this kind of soup without nothing in the meat, just the coconut oil in it. And last 3 days ago, BT, the co-worker here in Marpas, she brought me a bowl of soup like this, and it's really good. It reminds me my dad's recipe. This is his favorite soup, and John ate it. He really likes it, so I decided to make this one too because it reminds me, and it's really good. So now I made it today.
Yeah, and I got to thank Betty for bringing it over and bringing it back to your memory so you can make it. You forgot about it.
I forgot about it.
That's one of the very best Filipino recipes there are.
Yeah, so thanks to BT.
And one of the healthiest. Thank you, Betty.
So now we're gonna do this final thing to take all the junk out.
Oh, look at all that comes out of the junk.
Okay, now let's go start cooking. We turn this on. Okay, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So here we go. And we're gonna heat it up and put the onion, the garlic, and the ginger. The oil is really hot now, so I'm gonna put this onion, garlic, and the ginger. Mix it together. You're gonna add some thyme. Black pepper. And mix it together. We're gonna cook this like 3 minutes and we're gonna add some vegetables, the rest of the vegetables. Alright, I'm gonna add this squash and eggplant. Here we go.
Boy, that's a lot.
And
Oh, all at the same time?
yep,
What do you want?
same time.
That's it?
And this
What
one.
the hell? You can't add all that, can you?
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna put a little soy sauce in it. And mix it together. And I'm gonna add just regular water, 1 cup of water. There you go. Don't add too much because later you're gonna add 3 cups of coconut milk. And just cook these vegetables for like 10 minutes in the regular water. And after that we're gonna add coconut milk and the moringa leaves later. Or until the vegetables is tender. Gonna mix it together. Okay, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. There we go. We're gonna bring it to a boil. Okay, now it's just boiling, so we're gonna stir it together. There we go. And we're gonna turn this down because we're gonna simmer it for another 5 minutes, and after that we're gonna add the moringa leaves and some salt. So there you go. I smell the coconut milk. It smells really good, and the ginger.
Yeah. It smells so good.
So how's your cake today?
Good.
Do you like your cake?
Yeah, it's Dad's favorite color, blue and turquoise.
Yeah, I think Brianna wants to eat cake, and her excuses is she wants a cake that see you soon, baby brother. So I just go ahead and get it because she
Yeah.
wants to eat cake.
Yeah, and I wanted to eat the whole cake.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, so delicious. It's like my dad's birthday cake, his 65th birthday.
Oh boy, thank you, buddy. I like that.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Smells good, Bria?
Yeah,
Look at that, huh?
yeah.
It's gonna be yummy.
So yummy. It has squash to heal your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when you're blinking eyes, you can just heal it.
Heal it with squash?
You got ginger too, Bria. Ginger.
Yeah, you cut the ginger up small enough, you can just chew it and eat it.
I eat this
I
really
eat
good.
it too.
Yeah,
It's really good.
yeah,
It reduces inflammation in the body. That's a good thing about it.
yeah.
Plus all the vitamins. Yeah, good kid.
Brianna's gonna add some salt. Put the thing down. Dip in the soup. Dip it. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, mix it.
One
Be
way to do
careful,
it.
don't splash it. Alright, I'm gonna add the final vegetables. It's moringa leaves. There you go. There you go. So we're gonna boil this for another 3 minutes, and we're gonna turn it off, and it's done. Final. Okay, here we go. It's done. Looks very good.
Yeah. It does look good. I'm standing on my pizza.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
Yeah.
It's ready to plate it. I'm hungry.
Just a stump it. Mmm. It's delicious. So delicious, making me dance.
So I'm gonna plate it.
With rice. See
And
this one.
this is John's plate.
Yeah, that's yours. This cake is for my baby brother. See you soon, baby brother. I love you.